If you're looking for an easy way to handle currency conversions for international payments, Deel has got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use Deel for seamless currency conversion. So whether you're a freelancer, contractor, or employer, you can manage payments globally without the hassle. By the end, you'll understand exactly how Deel simplifies the process, making international transactions as easy as domestic ones. First things first, Deel is a game changer when it comes to managing cross-border payments. With Deel, handling currency conversions is as simple as choosing the right option when setting up payments for contractors or employees. Deel supports over 120 currencies, and the software automatically converts the amount into the local currency of the recipient, which means you don't have to worry about exchange rates or hidden fees. It's done for you. To start using Deel for currency conversion, the first step is creating an account. After signing up, you'll be able to set up the payment details for each team member or contractor. When you add a new contract or hire, you can easily specify the currency in which the payment will be made. If you're the payer, Deel will automatically convert your payment from your local currency to the recipient's local currency, and the exchange rate is updated in real time. One of the best parts of Deel's currency conversion system is the transparency it provides. You can see the exact exchange rate applied to your transaction, which is updated daily. This means you don't have to worry about fluctuating rates or surprise charges. Plus, Deel ensures that you and your recipients know exactly how much they'll receive in their currency, so there are no misunderstandings. Another key feature is Deel's ability to handle multiple currencies in one place. If you're working with a global team or have clients in different countries, you can manage payments in different currencies, and Deel will handle all the necessary conversions without any extra steps on your part. This makes it an ideal solution for businesses looking to streamline international payments while keeping everything organized. You might be wondering about fees. Deel makes it easy to compare payment options and currencies, so you can choose the method that works best for your budget. While Deel does charge a small fee for some types of currency conversions, it's often much more affordable than traditional banks or other payment providers, especially for smaller businesses or contractors working internationally. When you're ready to pay someone in another currency, Deel lets you pay directly in their local currency or any of the supported currencies. You don't have to worry about having a local bank account in each country or setting up multiple payment systems. Deel integrates with popular payment platforms such as PayPal, local bank transfers, and even cryptocurrency in some cases. It's important to note that Deel's platform is secure and fully compliant with international payment regulations, ensuring that your transactions are protected. They also offer multi-currency payment options for both paying and receiving money, which reduces the complexity of working with global teams. Finally, if you're ready to start using Deel for handling currency conversions and want to explore more features, I've got some great news. You can sign up for Deel completely for free using the link below and get exclusive bonuses, including an extended free trial, to explore all the features without any commitment. If you're looking to streamline your international payments and simplify currency conversion, Deel is the tool you need. Sign up today and take advantage of the extended free trial available through our link.